Want a cleaner and more private Messenger experience? In this video, I'll show you how to change who can message you on the Facebook Messenger app on Android. By learning about this, you can block unwanted messages and take full control of your inbox. Let's dive into the process. First, open Messenger. Tap the three-line icon. Now click on the gear icon. Look for Privacy and Safety. After finding it, click on it. Now choose Message Delivery. Here, you'll see several categories like Friends of Friends, Others, On Messenger, and etc. You can change who can message you for each category. Like for example, Open Friends of Friends. You usually get 3 options here. If you select Chats, messages go directly to your main chat inbox. With Message Requests, messages are sent as requests. You have to accept them manually. And if you choose Don't Receive Requests, this will block these people from messaging you entirely. Now choose whatever option you like on here and go back. You can repeat this process for every available category on your Messenger. And that's all there is to it. This is how you can easily change who can message you on the Facebook Messenger app. If you thought this video was helpful, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.